In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. Microsoft Copilot can be a helpful tool, but there are times when you might want to turn it off, whether it's for a more focused work environment or simply to free up some space on your taskbar. No worries. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, we'll need to navigate to your computer settings. To do this, you can either click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen, or you can press the Windows key on your keyboard, which will bring up the Start menu instantly. Once you have that open, look for the gear icon that represents Settings. It's usually located just above the power button. Click on that gear icon, and it will take you to the Settings window. Here you'll find a variety of options. We're going to focus on the Personalization section for this task. On the left-hand side of the Settings window, you should see a list of categories. Find and click on Personalization. This section allows you to customize how your windows look and feel, including taskbar settings. Once you're in the Personalization section, look for the Taskbar option on the left side. Click on that. This will open up all the settings and options related to your taskbar. The taskbar is the horizontal bar typically found at the bottom of your screen, where you can see open applications and various icons. Now that you're in the taskbar settings, scroll down until you find the option that says Other System Tray Icons. It might not be immediately visible, so take your time to look for it. This part is important because we are looking to customize what icons you want to show in your system tray. After you click on Other System Tray Icons, you'll see a list of icons you can manage, including Microsoft Copilot. You should find an option next to Microsoft Copilot that allows you to toggle it on or off. If you see it listed there, go ahead and switch that toggle off. Once you've disabled it, you can exit the Settings menu. And that's it! You've successfully turned off Microsoft Copilot. You should see that the Copilot icon has now disappeared from your taskbar, giving you a cleaner workspace. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can simply follow the same steps and toggle it back on in the settings. Remember, while Microsoft Copilot can be a great tool for productivity, the goal is to ensure that you're comfortable with how your workspace is arranged. Every individual has their own preferences, and reducing distractions can often lead to a more productive environment. If you have any trouble finding any of the steps or options I mentioned, feel free to rewind this video and follow along at your own pace. And don't forget, if you ever want to learn how to manage more features in Windows, or if you have any questions about other settings, drop those in the comments below. I'm more than happy to help you out. Also, make sure you subscribe for more handy tips and tricks on using Windows effectively. Every little tweak can help improve your overall experience, and staying updated with new features can really enhance how you work. So thank you for watching, and now you've got the knowledge to customize your taskbar by